Yo, okay, listen, what's up guys? So another quick tutorial. So as you guys can know, if you're like a modeler or a builder or whatever, use Blender, you know how crazy them tries get. So I found a way that you can import stuff that has like many tries. I think the limit is like around 100k or maybe 200k. But yeah, I imported some crazy stuff. Like you can see this Rocket League ball, this perfect sphere, this board, crazy amount of tries by the way. That's stuff I imported in the small method, okay? I'm gonna teach you guys. It's very simple, mad easy, okay? Stay tuned. Alright, so back to Blender. As you can see, this has 122k tries. So for people that know how to see your tries, you can click here at the top, you open this, and you check statistics, okay? After you do that, over here, it will show you your tries. And basically, what you're gonna do is, you can just go to File, Export. You can do either GLB or FBX. I recommend FBX. I mean, GLB is like if you have textures and stuff. So, FBX, we'll name it block. No, we don't mind the secret JJ Spray. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Export. Then you go to Roblox, right? Go to Roblox. Let me end this real quick. Then you're gonna go to Import. You're gonna go to Import. Then I think it's my documents. Yep, right here. You open. Now watch. Just watch. It should work. Look. 122k tries. This, you can change anything here. It doesn't matter. Oh wait, it might not work. Wait. Loading? Never mind, it did. Look, right here. This has 122k tries right here. Boom, perfect. And that's how you do it. So make sure to like and subscribe. You do you. Stay safe out there. Peace.